Hello and welcome to Crafting with Kathy Lee. I am Kathy Lee, and this is my YouTube channel, Crafting with Kathy Lee. I'm going to take a minute to show you Tula XII's Valentine card kit. This is available now. It's available probably, I would say it'll even go into February. For me, I would want to order it now so that I would have it in time to get crafting. So this is one of our card kits. Again, if you know me, you know that I would cut this out of the packaging and use that little guy. The card kits are awesome. They make it simple for somebody who has no crafting ability to make cards. If you are very crafty, you can go even further and decorate it more, cut more, do all sorts of fun stuff. Our card kits come with 9 folded cardstock cards. You don't even have to fold them, they're already folded. 9 of those, 9 envelopes, and then 9 pieces of decorative paper. So here we have three different papers. These are the fronts, these are the backs. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love this paper. So pretty. Okay, so there is plenty of paper to make 9 cards. You'd probably even have extra. If you are new to card making, you could simply just take this, stick this, and then grab one of the embellishments and stick it on the middle and maybe a sentiment. If you're creative, you will tear, you will quilt, you will do all sorts of fun stuff with these papers. But it's meant so that anybody can make a card. Also, we have these fun little embellishments. Now, these aren't just for Valentine's Day. You can see there's Happy Birthday, Thinking of You, Be My Valentine, a lot of different ones. You can stick these directly on the card because they are clear. I like to put these either as an envelope seal or on the back of my card like Hallmark. So you can leave them clear and put them directly on your card, or they have these fun little already cut white strips that you can put these on so that you can see the sentiment better. You can layer them, you can make little flags with them, whatever you want to do. Also included are 9 nice heavy chipboard embellishments. There's 3 of the hedgehog, 3 of the panda bear, and 3 of the teddy bear. How cute are those? Also included, again, we want to make this easy. All you need is adhesive. These already have adhesive, little bling you can add to your stuff, little bows, and buttons. Now, with the bows and buttons, I would not use a glued stick. I would use some 3D foam tape or some glue dots. They're like a little piece of hot glue on a sheet that you can use, or you could use hot glue. Regular glue sticks probably aren't going to keep these on the card. So that is one of our card kits. They are available on the website now. Super, super cute. I will put a link to my website in the comments, or you can always check my link tree. You can visit my Facebook group for Tula XII, which is Crafting with Kathy, or excuse me, Creative Organization for a Happier Life. My crafty group is Crafting with Friends. That has nothing to do with Tula XII. That is totally my group for my scrapbooking and card making and whatever friends. So there's a look at that card kit. I would order it and get your Valentine's cards made. You could also use these embellishments for decorating your planner. You could use them for scrapbooking, card making, whatever you want. So let's set those aside. Have a great day. Thanks for visiting Crafting with Kathy Lee. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.